Hi Gabe and Payton. I am here. Well, this is Miss Smith, and I'm here to go over some revisions that I would make to this paragraph. I'm including both Gabe and Payton together because Payton, I don't know that I ever received your paragraph. Okay, so you can watch this with Gabe, and then you guys can talk about it. So first, I'm going to read this paragraph out loud so that you guys can hear what it sounds like when someone else reads it. Okay, so if you are planning to go to the Washington Western Lowlands, then here are 3 places you can work. One example is the Puget Sound Naval Shipyard, which is located in Bremerton, Washington. The shipyard contains a portion of the United States Navy Reserve Fleet, a large collection of inactive U.S. Navy vessels, including the aircraft carrier USS Kitty Hawk. Another fact is it covers 179 acres of Puget Sound. Another example is Amazon, and Amazon is located in Seattle, Washington. Amazon was founded as a simple online book retailer out of Jeff Bezos' garage in Bellevue, Washington. The last example is Microsoft, which is located in Seattle, Washington. Microsoft first started in New Mexico. In conclusion, these are just some jobs in Western Lowlands. Okay, so you got some really great facts in here. We just need to tidy things up a bit to make it read really nicely, okay? First, what I'm going to do is clear the formatting out of there and then get it double spaced. That just makes it easier to work with. And then let's go. The first sentence, if you are planning to go to the Washington Western Lowlands, we don't need that comma there. We'll just say, if you are planning to go to the Washington Western Lowlands, then here are 3 places you can work. One example is the Puget Sound Naval Shipyard, which is located in Bremerton, Washington. Looks like we've got, no, we don't, it's here, a couple extra spaces we don't need. And then here I notice after a period needs to come a space. The shipyard contains a portion of the United States Navy Reserve Fleet, a large collection of inactive U.S. Navy vessels. So let's say the shipyard contains a portion of the United States, capital, proper noun, that's proper part of the title, so we need capitalized letters here. And then, so you have the shipyard contains a portion of the United States Navy Reserve Fleet, and then you explain what that is. So let's say, which is a large collection of inactive U.S. Navy vessels. Maybe we could, that's a great sentence. You could leave it like that. It would read, the shipyard contains a portion of the United States Navy Reserve Fleet, which is a large collection of inactive U.S. Navy vessels, including the aircraft carrier USS Kitty Hawk. You could leave it like that. You could also say one of these vessels is the aircraft carrier USS Kitty Hawk. Here, we might insert an interesting fact about the USS Kitty Hawk. That's up to you. Your next sentence reads, another fact is it covers 179 acres of Puget Sound. So here when you say it, I'm sure that you're referring to the Puget Sound Naval Shipyard, but I kind of forgot that that's what you were talking about because you jumped into a couple sentences about the Navy Reserve Fleet. So let's change this. We also don't need to say another fact because it's an informational essay, so everything you're saying should be facts. So we could say the Puget Sound Naval Shipyard covers 179 acres of Puget Sound. Okay, another example, I would say another example of a place you can work is Amazon. And then let's end that sentence there and delete that. Okay, we have another example of a place you can work is Amazon. Amazon is located in Seattle, Washington. Let's just change this so we don't have the word Amazon repeating over again. Let's change this and say another place you can work is Amazon, which is located in Seattle, Washington. There we go. Amazon was founded as a simple online book retailer out of Jeff Bezos's garage in Bellevue, Washington. Okay. Let's say the last major, I don't know, employer in this region is Microsoft, which is also located in Seattle, Washington. Microsoft first started in New Mexico. In conclusion, these are just some jobs in Western Lowlands. So I didn't get a chance to talk about this today, Monday, in our writing lesson, but when we're writing multi-paragraph essays, each paragraph does not actually need a conclusion, okay? So if this were going to be a standalone paragraph, yes, you would need that there, oops, but because it's one paragraph in a multi-paragraph essay, we don't need that conclusion. Okay, go ahead and read this out loud to yourself, see how you think it sounds, and take some of those changes into consideration when you go to finish revising your paragraph. Okay, thank you, bye.